Have you ever looked at successful online entrepreneurs and wondered how they started? Did they have a lot of money, special connections, or years of experience? The truth is that many of them started with nothing more than a laptop, an internet connection, and a decision to take action. Right now, we are living in a time when starting an online business is easier than ever before. You don't need to rent an office, hire a large team, or invest thousands of dollars. What you do need is the willingness to learn, stay consistent, and choose the right opportunity. Imagine waking up in the morning and knowing that your income is no longer limited by the number of hours you work. Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere, whether that's your bedroom, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. That is the power of an online business. But before you get excited, it's important to understand that there is no magic shortcut. Every successful online business requires effort, patience, and persistence. The good news is that there are more opportunities today than at any other point in history. One of the most popular online business ideas is freelancing. Millions of businesses around the world need help with tasks such as graphic design, video editing, content writing, social media management, website development, and virtual assistants. If you already have a skill, you can start offering your services online. And if you don't have a skill yet, you can learn one. There are countless free resources available online that can teach you valuable skills in a matter of months. The best part is that freelancing allows you to start with almost no investment. Your skill becomes your product. Another powerful business idea is content creation. Every day, billions of people watch videos, read blogs, listen to podcasts, and scroll through social media. Businesses and creators who consistently produce valuable content can build large audiences and eventually turn that attention into income. Whether it's YouTube, blogging, TikTok, Instagram, or podcasting, content creation has become one of the most accessible online businesses in the world. At first, you may not earn much money. In fact, you may earn nothing at all. But if you remain consistent and continue improving, your audience can become one of your greatest assets. Then there is affiliate marketing. This business model is simple in concept. You promote products or services created by other companies, and when someone makes a purchase through your recommendation, you earn a commission. You don't need to create your own product, handle customer support, or manage inventory. Your main job is to connect people with products that solve their problems. Successful affiliate marketers focus on trust. They don't just sell anything. They recommend products that genuinely provide value. Another growing opportunity is selling digital products. Unlike physical products, digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly. Examples include ebooks, templates, online courses, digital planners, stock photos, and design assets. Imagine creating a product today and still making sales from it months or even years later. That's one reason digital products have become so attractive. They offer scalability. Once the work is done, each additional sale requires very little extra effort. Online coaching and consulting are also booming industries. If you have expertise in fitness, business, language learning, career development, marketing, or another area, people may be willing to pay for your guidance. Many individuals are looking for shortcuts to achieve their goals, and they often seek advice from someone who has already achieved the results they want. By helping others solve problems, you can build a profitable business while making a positive impact on people's lives. E-commerce remains one of the largest online business opportunities. In the past, starting a store required significant investment. Today, anyone can create an online store within a few hours. You can sell handmade products, custom merchandise, or source products from suppliers. Some entrepreneurs use print-on-demand services, which means products are only created when customers place orders. This reduces risk because you don't have to buy inventory upfront. Social media management is another business idea with huge demand. Many business owners understand the importance of social media but don't have the time or knowledge to manage it effectively. They need help creating content, responding to comments, scheduling posts, and growing their online presence. If you enjoy social media and understand how platforms work, this could become a valuable service business. Let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes people make when starting an online business. They spend too much time searching for the perfect idea and not enough time taking action. They watch endless videos, read dozens of articles, and constantly switch from one opportunity to another. Meanwhile, successful entrepreneurs are busy testing, learning, and improving. The reality is that no business idea will feel perfect in the beginning. Clarity comes through action, not endless planning. Another mistake is expecting quick results. Social media often shows the success stories but hides the years of effort behind them. You might see someone earning thousands of dollars per month online, but you don't see the countless hours they spent learning skills, creating content, building systems, and overcoming failures. Success rarely happens overnight. It usually happens gradually, through small improvements repeated consistently over time. If you're wondering which online business is best, the answer depends on your strengths and interests. If you enjoy writing, content creation or copywriting might be a good fit. If you're creative, graphic design or video editing could be excellent options. If you're organized and detail-oriented, virtual assistants or project management might suit you. The best business is often the one you can stick with long enough to see results. One advantage of online businesses is that they can grow beyond your personal effort. For example, a freelancer may eventually build an agency. A content creator may launch products and sponsorships. An online coach may create courses and group programs. What starts as a small side hustle can evolve into a full-scale business. That's why it's important to think long-term. Don't just ask how much money you can make this month. Ask where this business could be in 5 years if you remain committed. The internet has created opportunities that previous generations could only dream about. Years ago, reaching customers around the world required massive budgets and large companies. Today, a single person can build an audience of millions, launch products globally, and create income streams from multiple sources. The barriers to entry have never been lower. However, competition has also increased. That's why providing value is more important than ever. People don't pay for products or services simply because they exist. They pay because those products and services solve problems. The more valuable problem you solve, the more valuable your business becomes. Instead of asking, how can I make money online? Ask, how can I help people? That simple shift in perspective can change everything. Businesses that focus on helping people tend to last longer and grow faster. Consistency is one of the most underrated business skills. Most people quit too early. They post a few videos, write a few articles, or offer services for a few weeks and then stop when results don't appear immediately. Successful entrepreneurs understand that consistency creates momentum. Every piece of content, every client interaction, and every lesson learned contributes to future success. Think about where you want to be 1 year from now. You can spend the next 12 months watching others build businesses, or you can spend that time building your own. The choice is yours. Every successful online entrepreneur once stood exactly where you are now, wondering whether it was possible. The difference is that they decided to start before they felt fully ready. Remember, you do not need a perfect plan. You do not need perfect skills. You do not need perfect timing. What you need is a willingness to begin. Start small, learn continuously, improve consistently, and stay focused on providing value. The first step may feel uncomfortable, but every achievement begins with a decision to take action. The online world is full of opportunities waiting for people who are willing to work for them. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, digital products, coaching, e-commerce, or another path, success will come from persistence and learning. The future belongs to those who adapt, innovate, and keep moving forward. A year from today, you could still be searching for the perfect opportunity, or you could be running an online business that is changing your life. The decision starts today. The tools are available. The opportunities are real. The question is simple: are you ready to take the first step?